Let's do an unboxing. I'm chewing, sorry. But I bought these headphones on AliExpress and they look so cute and they're pink. So I'm gonna test them out. Pink special edition retro wireless headphones. What Plus? I think that's what they're, I don't know. It says What Plus on the box. And then it says retro right there. Like where the logo would be. But let's open it. Let's check it out. Let's test it out. I had a screenshot of these headphones on my phone from last year. It is April, what's today? April 9th, 2024. Lately I've been using my wires because my Mickey Mouse Beats, the earpiece is like peeling. I don't like that. It's a little opening, little manual. The headphones themselves, ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. Extra earmuffs, they're pink and black. Oh, right here is the USB, I guess the charger. I think that's it, yeah. They're cute. Ooh. Oh, that's how you make it smaller with these little pink thingies. I have a big head, so I'm gonna put it like right there. Ah! First, let's take this paper off. Oh, here's the mic. I want to hear how loud it is. Let me figure out how to connect them, and I'll be right back. Loose, tight, what does that mean? BRB. Okay. Boy, I guess I'm gonna have to figure it out by the pictures. How do I know if it's on? Oh, it's gonna flash? I'm so confused. Okay. I kept scrolling through the pages and I found the English instructions. I just think it's dead, so I'm gonna charge them and I'll try to connect them later. I guess. It was charging, it's red. So it was dead.